Crystals, aren't they simply fabulous? Like little treasures from the earth, they sparkle and shine. But they're more than just pretty things. For centuries, people have believed in the power of crystals. They can bring good energy, you know. It's all about the vibrations, darling. Crystals are like little energy amplifiers. They can help boost the good vibes and clear out any negativity. Think of them as little helpers for your spirit. Whether you're a believer or just crystal curious, there's no denying their beauty and charm. Now, let's talk about some of my favorites, shall we? There are so many to choose from, but a few truly stand out. Amethyst, with its gorgeous purple hue, is a must-have in any collection. It's known for bringing calmness and peace. Perfect for those stressful days, darling. Just having it nearby can make a difference. Just hold it in your hand and breathe deeply. Feel the tranquility wash over you. Then there's rose quartz, the stone of love and compassion. It's all about opening your heart and attracting love in all its forms, whether it's self-love, romantic love, or friendship. Keep it by your bedside or pop it in your handbag to carry its loving energy with you. And for a burst of sunshine, you can't go wrong with citrine. It's like carrying a piece of the sun with you. This yellow beauty is all about abundance and joy. It can uplift your spirits and bring positivity into your life. These are just a few examples, sweetie. Each crystal has its own story and energy. There's a whole world of crystals out there, each with its unique energy and properties waiting to be discovered. Go explore and find the ones that speak to you. Let your intuition guide you to the perfect crystal companions. Using crystals is easier than you think. You can simply carry them in your pocket or purse. Feel their smooth surface and remember their energy. Meditation is another fantastic way to connect with your crystals. Hold them in your hands while you meditate and let their energy flow. You can also place crystals around your home. Amethyst in the bedroom for a peaceful sleep, perhaps? Or some citrine in your workspace for a boost of creativity. Let your intuition guide you. Section 4. Caring for your crystal companions. Crystals are little powerhouses, but they need a bit of TLC too. They are not just beautiful, they are energetic beings. Just like us, they absorb energy from their surroundings, both positive and negative. So, it's important to cleanse them regularly to maintain their vibrancy. You can do this by running them under water, preferably natural sources, like streams or rivers, placing them in sunlight or moonlight, which recharges their energy. Or using a smudge stick to clear any negative energy. Listen to your crystals, darling. They communicate in subtle ways. If they feel heavier than usual, it's time for a cleanse. Trust your intuition, and remember to treat them with love and respect. They respond to your care. They are little gifts from the earth after all. Cherish them. Section 5. A spark of crystal magic. I remember when I first started using crystals. It was a whole new world for me. I was a bit skeptical, to be honest. I didn't know what to expect. But then I got this beautiful piece of rose quartz. It was mesmerizing. I kept it on my bedside table, and you know what? It became a part of my daily routine. I started feeling lighter, more open to love. It was a gentle transformation. It was like a little miracle. I couldn't believe the change. Crystals have this incredible ability to shift your energy, to bring a sense of peace, to make you feel more positive and aligned. It's like they tune into your inner self. It's subtle, but it's there. You can feel the difference. So give yourself permission to explore the world of crystals. Dive into this magical journey. You might just be surprised by the magic you discover. It's a beautiful experience waiting for you.